Good morning. We've got the floors basically done in this house here. We're gonna do some cleanup this morning here. We don't fill the trailer up. We've got right around the corner, we got another house. We're gonna go ahead and get it. Stuff we've already taken out of it cleaned up. Today's just gonna be kind of a cleanup day. And see how nice it looks afterwards. So it has turned out pretty good. We'll come out here and rake this. Finish raking all that little bit up there. Get rid of this metal. And it's done for this section of cleanup. We'll get out here, pull these posts with a tractor. I want to dig this down and put a walkway in, cement walkway. I think it'll look good. And it's a sneak peek. That's on one of our Gonna Fix It videos here for Tree Row Rescue. All right, see you at the next house.